I am Srinivas Rao. I am actually from marketing professional. This recycling, what I saw in every daily life in the market is there is a lot of a wastage of material. It is been not properly recycled and it has been destroyed into the nature, and it is badly affecting our environment. And thus, it is very essential to take recycle of these papers, waste papers, and this wastage into again recycling and for the benefit of the people. This is very much required as of today because there is a very speed of population is growing into the nation, and it is very much required that these kind of steps has to be controlled, and we have to take these kind of steps at all levels, with all people, with all category of towns. Basically, this is a basic foundation. We should everybody to have to be participate in this kind of a programs, and we should support these programs anywhere in the world. Yeah, ITC is concerned. It's a very old company, and it is very what do you call sovereignty company. It is basically it protects the interest of the nation, and this step which is taken by the ITC is very prominent and very important. And always ITC is the first company to take such kind of steps. This is one of the first, one of the important steps that will be take in the interest of the nation. And I really proud to feel ITC is participating, and every company have to think about this kind of steps and should follow in the which is benefit to the nations like ITC. What is ITC is doing? Recycle is concerned, and we as papers which we are used and it is been dealt as an wastage, instead of putting into the scrap, and we can recycle it, and we can opt to give to the recycle centers like what is ITC is being arranging in this kind of shopping malls and everything. So my opinion also, I want to join with and put my wastage papers to the recycle.